Welcome to the Linux X-Ray Education Series. Recorded at AVM Studios and licensed by the Music Art channel. These lessons are recorded at UHD 4K 3840 by 2160 resolution with 21:9 aspect ratio widescreen. We will zoom when necessary for optimum viewing and best education experience. In this lesson we will add Microsoft standard true type fonts to your Linux distro. Today we are on Arch Linux, but that should not matter, and this will work with any Linux distro you are using. Go to this web page using any web browser of your choice, or copy and paste from the description below. From going through this Arch wiki page, you can install from any Windows partition as well. But today we will be extracting the fonts direct from the Windows ISO image file. So if you have not downloaded the ISO from Microsoft, go to this web page first. This is the latest Windows 10 ISO at the time of the video recorded. The format of the image file containing the fonts in the ISO is a Windows Imaging Format, or WIN for short. Extract the sources/install.sd or the sources/install.vim file from the .iso and look for a Windows fonts directory within this file. In our case we downloaded the ISO direct to our desktop. The ISO can be extracted using 7z in P7zip, or vim extract in wimlib. See an example below using 7z, or copy and paste in your terminal window from the description below. Let's open the terminal console. First command. Unzip the Windows Imaging Format vim file from the sources directory in the ISO file. Now let's extract the fonts from install.vim. The fonts and the license will be located in the fonts directory, wherever you were working. In our case we worked direct from the desktop directory. Now notice we have 145 fonts that we can add to Linux fonts. We are using KDE Plasma, so we will be using the settings fonts management to view our before and after this install. copy the fonts into the TTF directory using the Linux copy command, cp. Or again get it from the description and paste it into your terminal windows. Now all these fonts that we enjoyed in Windows are here, and can be used to customize KDE Plasma or place in your LibreOffice documents and your editing software or anywhere. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux education X-Ray lessons.